friends, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel which is called Odia Girl of Substance. Like all my videos, this video is going to be very interesting. A lot of ladies and girls have requested this topic and I thought why not make a video for them. There are girls who are reaching puberty stage and they are really concerned, and there are moms who are less aware, and even they are concerned like how and when they can know that their daughter is reaching that stage when she is going to have her first periods, that is first menstruation or the onset of menstrual cycle. So here in this video I would discuss and let you know very easy 5 points by which you can definitely know that when and how a girl is reaching her puberty stage, and the necessity the necessity arrangement has to be done. So I request all of you to watch this video till the end. First easy way, discuss with your mom. Ask her. Mothers, this is for you as well. Try to recall when was that year when you got your periods. How old were you? If you were, for example, 13-year-old, then you must expect that your daughter would have her periods when she is between 12 to somewhere 14 years. So this would be the time when she would get her periods. So mothers, your age is a very important factor. A lot of research have been shown that mom's age can decide the daughter's periods. Second, if you have started having some kind of white discharge, like if you don't know what is white discharge, then you can check in my video list. I have made a separate video on white discharge, but let me tell a little bit about it. Is white in color. It is sometimes yellowish, sometimes gluey, sometimes sticky, sometimes fluidish. It comes out of your vagina. If it has been 6 months that the vaginal discharge or the white discharge has started, then you can expect that within 1 year or 2 years you are going to have your periods. If your pubic hair or your armpit hair has started growing, earlier it was not, but it has started growing now. So girls, I would say if this growth is happening, then it would be around 2 to 3 years that you can get your menstrual cycle. Fourth, if your boobs or your breast has started growing suddenly, you feel like wearing a bra, and in any case not so much growth, but yes, you started feeling a kind of lump, so that is also a sign that you are approaching that particular period when you will have your first periods. The last very important thing is between the age of 8, 9 or maybe 11, 12, these are the ages when you will have your periods, till age of 15. It varies from person to person, but if crosses the age of 15 and you are 16, you are not having it, then I would request you to consult a doctor. There can be some kind of hormonal disbalance. So friends, these are the 5 easy ways by which you can know that you are going to have your first periods. So in case you found this video really informative, moms, do not forget to share with other moms who are concerned about their daughter's first periods, and if possible you can directly share these videos with your daughters to help them understand when and how they have to be prepared.